Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download images from Wix website. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am in the Wix website editor. Now what I can do is I just need to locate the image that I want to actually download. So let's try to scroll down on my website. And then for example, I want to download this page or this photo right here. So what I can do is I can just click on that specific photo, click on this change background option, and then in here it will open this one. So from in there, click on settings, and then in here you can see your settings for this image. So if you want to change it, just click on the image right here. And then in here you should be able to see site files and everything like that. But if you want to edit this one, is click on this sort of button, just mayor settings. And then once you have clicked on that specific button, you should be able to see this edit column that you can use in order to save this photo. So it will open the Photo Studio for you. So let's just wait for this right here in order to finish the loading process. So in here you can see the Photo Studio. What we can do is to just click on this crop and resize. And then let's just crop this a little bit. And then once you have cropped that, just click on save right here. And what this do is it will allow us to save that specific photo on our Wix gallery website. So once you have done that, you can click on image right here. Next, to click on image. Once you have clicked on that, click on site files. And then in here, as you can see, it has been added on our site files for our Wix. Now we can do is we can click on these three dots. Then from in there, click on download right here in order to download this specific picture that we have edited earlier. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to save a photo from Wix, download it on your computer. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. Peace and